What does it mean when someone you love is saved by a medical miracle? Or when a vulnerable child's life is transformed in a youth Aliyah village? Or when thousands of people suffering from trauma since October 7th get the help they desperately need? Or when your life is given deeper meaning and is enhanced by a community you have cherished for years? Hadassah, the Women's Zionist Organization of America, knows, because we make this and so much more possible. And it's a key reason why hundreds of thousands of women and men have dedicated years and sometimes their entire lives to be a part of this extraordinary organization. Hadassah is and has always been life-changing for those we heal and for those who help.